Hello Virtuous family, welcome to Virtuous Skills. My name is Nancy. Happy New Year to all our subscribers all over the world. In today's video, what we have for you is how to make vegetable yam porridge. And the delicious meal you are seeing in the pot is the finished result. Please, if you want to know how I came up with this delicious meal in just less than 30 minutes, then sit back. Let's do it together. We have for the vegetable yam porridge are set on the countertop, as you can see. The first thing on our menu today is yam. I got here my palm oil. You can use only vegetable oil or combine the two, but for me I like palm oil. I got here roughly blended crayfish and seasoning cube. This is smoked salmon fish. You can use mackerel fish or any protein of your choice. I got here curry powder and dry thyme. You can use fresh thyme if you so wish. This is my salt, a roughly blended garlic, fresh tomato and onion. This is onion. And lastly, I have my vegetable. I'm going to use green. We call it green in Nigeria. I don't know what they call it in other places. You can also use spinach, ugu, or even cabbage, or any vegetable of your choice. They all goes, okay? To start with, as you can see, I have cut the yam already off the camera. Now I will peel the yam one after the other. Please make sure you cut off the bad side, okay? It is very important. After peeling the yam, I will cut them in chunks. On this stage, Virtuous family, it is very important to note that you have to cut them equal so that they will all cook at the same time. And after cutting them, I will wash them to avoid the story that touches the heart. That means wash them to avoid sand. Now let's start cooking. Add some vegetable oil in the pot depending on the quantity of yam you are making. Allow the oil to heat up a bit. Please make sure you don't over bleach the oil, okay? I will add some part of the onion and saute for 2 minutes. After which, I will now add the roughly blended garlic, fresh tomato and onion and then stir together. After stirring well, please cover the pot and allow it to fry for 3 minutes. This is 3 minutes, Virtuous family. As you can see, the sauce is dry. And now let's add the dry thyme, curry powder, salt, seasoning cube, and the raw blended crayfish. And I will stir together, after which I will cover and allow it for 2 more minutes. Stir again to avoid burn. Virtuous family, it's not compulsory you must cover the pot. You can still leave the pot open without covering it, okay? Then add in the yam one after the other. Make sure you add it bit by bit so that the oil will not split everywhere, to give you a kind of job that you will regret doing later. Pour in some water. Please do not add too much water, at least to the level of the yam, okay? Then stir together to combine very well so that all the recipes will combine together. Test for salt. This is lovely. I don't need to add anything again. Now I will cover and cook until it is soft. That will take about 10 to 15 minutes for the kind of yam I am using. Please note, it is not all the yam that is used for yam porridge. At this stage, Virtuous family, you can add your smoked fish or any protein of your choice that you are using. But for me, I will not add mine now. I will add it later. Keep watching. Oh yes, this is about 10 minutes. The yam is almost ready. Now I will add the remaining onion, the smoked fish, and lastly my vegetable. Please have patience with me, after which I will cover for just 3 minutes more. Wow, Virtuous family, this is lovely. As you can see, the next thing I will do now is to stir in the vegetable to combine. If you are the type that like your porridge loose, please add a little water and loosen it up. Or may I say, if you will not finish the yam at once, add a little water so that when it get cold, it will not be strong, okay? But for me, we will finish the yam at once, so there will be no need of adding more water, okay? On this junction, Virtuous family, our vegetable yam is ready. Let's go to the table and do with some good. Yes, Virtuous family, the vegetable yam porridge is ready, and this is the outcome of it all. Can you see how good it looks like? It does not only look good, it also tasted so delicious. Apart from me being the person that cook it, let the truth be told. Hope you like every clip of today's video just as I like and enjoy bringing them to you. If you enjoy watching today's video, please subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Like the video, share the video to families and friends, and drop your beautiful comments to encourage us. This is all we have for you for today from me and all my crew. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next one. Bye bye.